Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDA. Today in this video we are going to discuss a example of blueprint reading. So this is a part SHIM. What is SHIM basically? SHIM is a part which is placed between two parts for the purpose of dimensional fitness. So here for drawing reading purpose, this component is shown here. This is a SHIM. If you see in this drawing how the dimensions are given, how the tolerance is given, we can study all these things. If you see here, this SHIM, all the dimensions are given in inches. First thing is, all the dimensions are in inches. This is a title block. In this title block, if you look this material is given here brass and 0.02 inch. This is thickness of the SHIM. Thickness of the SHIM is 0.02 inch. And it is in third angle projection. This is given here. Sign for third angle projection. Scale is given 1:1. This is checked by whom. This is drawn by whom. And this is again redrawn by whom. Like this. And here some tolerances are given here. If you look here, it is given two place decimal inch, two unspecified tolerances for two place is plus minus 0.02 inches, 0.02 inches. For three place decimals, it is plus minus 0.01 inch. For drilled holes, it is plus 0.010 and minus 0.002. And angular tolerance is given plus minus 0 degree and 30 minutes. These are the some tolerances which are not specified in the component. Okay. So now let us discuss. Here it is given this diameter of the SHIM, outer diameter. This sign phi is for diameter. So diameter is 5.550 inch. Because it is on 3 decimal places, so for 3 decimal places here tolerance is given plus minus 0.01 inch, like that. Okay. So here in the center one square is given. So this is 1.00 inch square hole. This hole is a square hole. And it is like that. The edges are on the diagonals are on the horizontal and vertical lines. Here, this is your horizontal line. This is your vertical line. And then holes are given. This is here 3 into dia 0.250 plus minus 0.005. Equal spaced on dia 3.250 BC means bold circle. So bold circle, this center line is called bold circle, this, and there are 3 holes and dia of the hole is 0.250 inch diameter of the hole, and equally spaced there are 3 holes, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 holes are equispaced means 120 degree apart. These 3 holes are given here. So these are the 3 holes and the diameter is 0.250 inch and tolerance is plus minus 0.005 inch. Okay. Then next, if you see these 3 holes, dia 0.500, 0.5 inch means half inch dia, and plus minus tolerance is 0.008 inch, and these are also equally spaced, and these 3 holes are given. So this is here, if you see, these are equally spaced, and one diameter is here, one more diameter is there. This hole is 0.625 inch. It is on the vertical line, 0.625 inch. This hole is given, and then this radius r 0.5. This is outer radius is given here like this, and there are two radius 1.5. One is this side, other is this side. This fillet radius is there. So these are the all the dimensions are given like this. So in this is on vertical center line, this hole, and this hole, one hole is on horizontal center line, other two holes are 120 degree apart like this. So similarly, small hole, this hole is at horizontal line and other two holes are 120 degree apart. So now if you see here in this SHIM, so there are some questions here. These are the questions. First question is how thick is the SHIM? That means what is the thickness of the SHIM? So thickness of the SHIM is, it is given here 0.02 inch. This is the answer of the first question. First question answer is 0.02 inch brass. This is thickness of the SHIM. Okay. Then next question is the SHIM symmetrical? Is it symmetrical? Symmetrical means all the dimensions in the vertical line or horizontal line are symmetrical. If you see, this is your vertical line, so it is not symmetrical because this hole is at 30 degree from the vertical line, and in this direction at 30 degree there is no hole of this shape, so it is not symmetrical. Even if you see these holes are not symmetrical. This is not symmetrical. Only this section, this is symmetrical, but other holes are not symmetrical, so this figure is not symmetrical. Okay, so is the SHIM symmetrical? Say no. Here it is not symmetrical. Number third question is, are the bold circles concentric? So there are two bold circles. One is dia 4.5 inch, other is dia 3.25 inch bold circle. This circle and this circle, because for the circles center is same. So that means, are these concentric? Say yes, these are concentric. Answer is yes. Fourth question is, how many holes are there in SHIM? How many holes? If you see here, there are 3 short holes, 3 big holes, 6 and 1 more hole is there. So there are 7 holes total. Answer is, how many holes are there? Say, how many holes? Say 7 holes are there. Answer is 7. Next is, what is the tolerance on dia 0.250 hole? 0.250 hole, number 5. This is 0.250 hole, this is, and this is the tolerance, plus minus 0.005 inch. So this is the answer for question number 5. So this is the tolerance. Okay. Question number 6 is, what is the tolerance on dia 0.500 hole? 6 is, what is the tolerance on the 0.500 hole? So 0.500 hole, there are these are 3 holes, 0.500, and tolerance is plus minus 0.008. So this is the answer for question number 6. Question number 6. How much is the tolerance? It is plus minus 0.008 inch. Okay. So next question is, what is the tolerance on dia 1.000 volt? What is the tolerance on dia 1.000 volt? Which is 1.000 volt? Okay, this square volt. 1.00 square. What is the tolerance? Because it is in 3 digits. So 3 digit tolerance is given here. 3 place tolerance plus minus 0.010 plus minus 0.010. How much is the tolerance? It is for 7. It is plus minus 0.010 inch. This is the tolerance. Okay. Next question is, what is the tolerance on the board circle? Board circle. This board circle is given in 3 digits, and this is also in 3 digits. Because it is in 3 digits, so and it is same tolerance. 3 digits, that means tolerance is same. This 7 and 8, these are same. Okay. 9. What is the tolerance on radii? What is the tolerance on radii? This is radii to radius 0.15. This is also in 2 digit. 2 digit means how much is the tolerance? For 2 digits, 2 place, it is plus minus 0.02 inch. So it is plus minus 0.02 inch. 0.02 inch. 0.02 inch. So this is the tolerance on radii. Question number 10. What is the most material that can be between diameter 0.625 volt and the nearest outside edge? So 0.62, this is the diameter 0.625 inch, this hole, and this edge, how much is the material here? So how much is the material, because this diameter is, this radius is 0.5 inch here, 0.5, and this radius will be 0.625 divided by 2, because this is hole, so radius will be 0.625 by 2, that means 0.3125. 0.5 minus 0.3125. So how much will be the material? 0.5 minus 0.3125. 0.5 minus 0.3125. So this is the material. Okay, this you can calculate how much it is. This was question number 10. So we have solved this. Question number 11 is, how far apart angularity are the 3 diameter 0.500 hole? How much apart they are? Because there are 3 holes, and so they are 120 degree apart. Question number 11 is, 3 holes are there at one PCD, piece circle dia or board circle. So it is how much apart? It is 120 degree apart. Question number 11 is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. Question number 12. How far apart angularity are 0.25 holes and the nearest 0.5 hole? Nearest, that means 0.250 hole is this. If I take this angle, how much apart is question number 11? Question number 12 is angularity are 0.25 hole and the nearest 0.500 hole. Nearest 0.500 hole means from this hole to this nearest hole, this angle is 30 degree here and this is also 30. So this distance, how much it is? It is 60 degrees. Because I take this angle here, if I take this angle is 60 degree, this angle is say 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree, and this angle again 60 degree. So how much is the answer is 60 degrees. Where is 60 degree? Question number 13. How far apart angularity are 0.25 hole and the farthest 0.500 hole? Means from 0.25 to 0.5 farthest means if I take this angle is say at 60 degree and the farthest angle of this hole, if I come here, this angle is 0 or this is 360 also. If I come from here like this, then this is 90, then 180, then 270 and then 360. So 360 minus 60. So this angle will become, farthest angle will be 300 degree. How much it is? For question number 13, it is 300 degrees. 300 degrees. For 14, how far apart angularity is 0.625 hole from the nearest? How far apart angularity is 0.625 hole and the nearest 0.5 hole? Nearest 0.5 hole from this nearest 0.5 hole is, this angle is only 30 degree here. How much it is? It is 30 degree. On the vertical line. So this is how much it is? 30 degree. Question number 15. What is the angular tolerance for the hole location? Angular tolerance is given here in the drawing. Angular tolerance is 0 degree 30 minutes. So this is 0 degree 30 minutes. How much it is? It is 0 degree and 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So we have solved all the 15 questions. I hope it is clear to you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Meet you soon in next video. Thanks.